Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Spot Grid on KuCoin. This powerful tool automates buying low and selling high within a defined price range, helping you profit from market fluctuations. To get started, simply open your KuCoin app, navigate to the Trading Bot section, and select Spot Grid. You can then choose between the AI Plus option for automated settings or the custom mode for a tailored experience. It's a straightforward process to begin your automated trading journey. Once you've selected your trading pair, it's time to configure your bot's parameters. First, define a clear price range with both an upper and lower limit where your bot will operate. Next, decide on the number of grids. This can range from 2 to 100 orders, influencing your trading frequency. You'll also need to specify your total investment amount. For more control, explore advanced settings to include stop loss and take profit levels, enhancing your strategy. After your Spot Grid bot is active, it's important to monitor its performance. You can easily check your real-time grid profits and overall status. Should you wish to increase your investment, you have the flexibility to add more funds at any time. If market conditions change or you decide to stop, simply select the Turn Off button. Upon termination, you'll be given 3 choices for returning your funds: a combination of both coin types, exclusively in USD, or solely in the base asset. To maximize your Spot Grid bot's potential, remember a few key practices. This strategy thrives in volatile, sideways markets where prices fluctuate within a defined range. Setting a reasonable price range is vital. An overly wide or narrow range can limit profitability. Keep in mind that more grids lead to more frequent trades but smaller profits per individual order. For beginners, it's often wise to start with popular, highly liquid trading pairs such as Bitcoin versus USD.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.